Hello friends, my name is Ganesh Kekar. Now in this video, we will solve problem on hexagonal prism. Let us read out the problem statement. A hexagonal prism, side of base 20 mm and axis length 40 mm is kept on the HP on one of its base edges, such that rectangular face opposite to base edge on HP makes an angle of 30 degree with HP. Then draw the projections of prism when resting edge makes 45 degree with VP. Now this is my problem statement. Now very first thing is what hexagonal prism. So what you will be having, base will be the hexagon and top face is also hexagon. Base side is given 20 mm and height of object is given 40 mm. ठीक है, तो base is denoted by A B C D E F, top face is denoted by 1 2 3 4 5 6 and axis is denoted by OS. So this is about nomenclature. What they have said, this prism is resting on one of its base edges. As it is resting on edge, so orientation of object will be like this, so that on first projector there will be resting edge AB. Let us assume that it is resting on edge AB. Okay, now how to get hexagon? Take it, you can go to polygon, number of sides will be 6. Okay, then polygon by edge, then you can put a first point and side equal to 20 mm. So this becomes your polygon. Okay, so what I did, I have drawn this polygon first in top view. ठीक है, ये polygon मैंने draw किया. Then I'm looking from top, points will be overlapping a comma 1, then b comma 2, likewise a comma 1, b comma 2, c comma 3, d comma 4, e comma 5 and f comma 6. Then I have drawn projectors here 1 2 and 3. So accordingly I will be getting a dash comma b dash here, c dash c comma f, c dash comma f dash, then d comma e, d dash comma e dash here, and s dash will be at same location. Okay, then height of object is 40 mm, so from a dash comma b dash I will draw one vertical line there 40 mm. Okay, then from 1 dash 2 dash, here I will be getting point 1 dash comma 2 dash, here I will draw one horizontal. Okay, then from s dash and d dash comma e dash I will draw verticals. So at this place I will be getting 3 comma 6 at this location, then 4 comma 5 at this location. So accordingly I will be in a position to complete first step. Okay, where solid is resting on its base. Okay, where on first projector there will be resting edge, that is AB. Okay, now for step 2, what they have said, it is resting in such a way that rectangular face opposite to base edge. अगर ये base edge AB है तो इसके opposite वाला rectangle कौन सा है? Opposite वाला rectangle is DE. You see, this is opposite rectangle DE 4 5. ठीक है, this is opposite rectangle. तो if AB is resting edge तो opposite rectangle कहाँ पे? DE 4 5 rectangle is here. ठीक है, ये कितना एंगल बना रहा है? 30 डिग्री. अगर इसका एंगल, राइट नाउ एंगल फॉर दिस सरफेस, इसका एंगल कितना है? 90 डिग्री. कितना होना चाहिए? 30 डिग्री. तो ऑब्जेक्ट को रोटेट कितना करना पड़ेगा? ऑब्जेक्ट हैज टू बी रोटेटेड बाय 60 डिग्री. ओके, तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट जो है इसको मैंने कंप्लीट ऑब्जेक्ट को कॉपी किया फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस टू दिस प्लेस एंड आई हैव रोटेटेड ऑब्जेक्ट अबाउट पॉइंट ए डैश कॉमा बी डैश कितने डिग्री से? बाय 60 degree, so that angle for this surface becomes 30 degree. Okay, now once I get this, ये मिलने के बाद what I will do, I will draw projectors. कितने आएंगे? 1 2 3 4 5 6. और टॉप व्यू से यहाँ से प्रोजेक्टर्स कितने आएंगे? 5 projectors. ठीक है, locate all the points means what? A B C D E F 1 2 3 4 5 6 and axis is OS. ठीक है, now once you locate all these points, now how to draw the top view? ठीक है, first of all, rules of visibility, you know. What are the rules? First of all, draw boundary line. Boundary will be 1 2 2 3, then 3C, then CD, then DE, then EF and F6. Okay, now once you have this boundary F6 and 6 1, this is my boundary. See how many points are there inside boundary. How many points are there? 5 4 AB. ठीक है, तो ऑब्जर्वर कहाँ पे है? ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर. ठीक है, तो 5 and 4 these 2 points are very close to the observer, तो इसका मतलब all lines passing through 4 and 5 are visible, मतलब shown by dark line। तो 5 4 से कौन से लाइन जाते हैं, this is 1 2 and 5 E, then D4, this 3 4, तो ये 5 और 4 के लाइंस हो गए। देन फ्रॉम व्हेन आई एम लुकिंग फ्रॉम टॉप, कर्सर जहाँ पे वहां से अगर देख रहा हूँ, तो एक ए डैश कॉमा बी डैश क्या है, इट इज अवे फ्रॉम ऑब्जर्वर, it is resting edge। it means all lines passing through a dash b dash are dotted। ठीक है, तो a dash b dash में से जाने वाले सारे लाइंस क्या हो जाएंगे, all lines will be dotted। ठीक है, so accordingly see, bc will be dotted line, this is again, this is also a dotted line itself। ठीक है, in similar way this line is also dotted line only। ठीक है, one can change properties for this, you see, okay। So in this way, all the lines are BC is dotted, AB is dotted, AF is dotted, A1 and B2 is also dotted, but up from A to 5 already dark line we have, B to 4 already dark line we have. So dotted line will be shown from 1 to 5 and 2 to 4. This much only, and axis will be OS. Okay, so in this way I will be in a position to complete step number 2. Now for last step, what they have said, draw the projections of the prism when resting edge makes 45। resting edge कौन सा है, AB is resting edge। ठीक है, AB का लेंथ चेंज हो रहा है क्या, नहीं, तो दैट एंगल विल बी यूजिंग, वी विल बी यूजिंग एज इट इज। तो AB का एंगल कितना होना चाहिए, एंगल ऑफ AB शुड बी 45 डिग्री। तो क्या करूंगा मैं, आई विल कॉपी दिस ऑब्जेक्ट, कंप्लीट ऑब्जेक्ट, आई विल कहाँ पे, इस प्लेस पे, और ऑब्जेक्ट को रोटेट कितना करना पड़ेगा, राइट नाउ AB इज मेकिंग एंगल विद XY, कितना, it is perpendicular ना, with reference AB is perpendicular, so AB का angle should be how much, 45 degree, so this object has to be rotated by 45 degree। तो 45 degree से उसको rotate करो, orientation will be like this, so that this AB is making an angle of कितना, 45 degree, you see, AB का angle 45 हो गया। next step is what, draw all the projectors। ठीक है, कितने projectors आएंगे, 1 to 6, A, B, C, D, E, F and OS. So there will be 14 projectors. सारे projectors यहाँ पे आएंगे। Then from all these points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ये सारे 6 projectors आ गए। ठीक है, इसके बाद क्या, locate all the points। all the points means what, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, then 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash and O dash, S dash। Now once you locate all these points, point locate किए, तो rules of visibility are what, you know the rules of visibility, what are the rules, first of all draw boundary of the object, boundary क्या आएगा, say B2, then 2 to 3, then 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to E, then EF, then F to A and A to B। तो ये हो गया मेरा boundary। how many points are there inside boundary, step 2, 1 6 CD। तो ये जब व्हेन ऑब्जर्वर कहाँ पे रहेगा, अभी ऑब्जर्वर इज देयर एट बॉटम, तो सी डी क्या है, यू सी सी एंड डी पॉइंट्स आर वेरी क्लोज टू ऑब्जर्वर, सो ऑल लाइंस पासिंग थ्रू सी एंड डी आर डार्क। तो सी डी से कौन से लाइन जाते हैं, दिस इज सी डी, यहाँ से डी ई जाएगा, देन यहाँ पे जाएगा D4, यहाँ पे जाएगा C3 एंड यहाँ पे जाएगा CB। तो ऑल दीज लाइंस आर dark lines because C dash D dash these points are visible, so all lines passing through these points are visible। ठीक है, 1 6, so when I am looking from bottom, when I observer is there at cursor point, ठीक है, तो कहाँ पे है 1 6, here we have points 1 and 6, 1 and 6 points are away from observer, so all lines passing from 1 and 6 are dotted, you see 1 6, then 1 2, then 1 A, then 6 F and 6 5, all these lines will be dotted lines। ठीक है, and join axis OS is shown by a center line। तो इसके अलावा कुछ एजेस रिमेनिंग थे क्या, नहीं, सो दिस एज दिस ऑब्जेक्ट इज कंप्लीट। ठीक है, so object this hexagonal prism will be resting on edge, then opposite rectangular surface is making an angle of 30 degree, and finally resting edge is making an angle of 45 degree। ठीक है, so once we complete with step number 3, this solution is complete। ठीक है, I hope you have understood the problem, thank you।